Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. I hope you're doing good. Well, um, today I'm going to do an important experimenting with ChatGPT. I'm going to do a little bit of deep questioning ChatGPT to find out why eating vegetarian food is awesome. Okay, so the reason why I chose this subject today is I stand up for a cause called vegetarianism, which has helped me in not just being healthy, but it's also one of my principles that if we eat vegetarian food we could be really healthy. So it's not necessary that each one of you should become a vegetarian, but let's just delve a little bit deeper and try to find out how and why vegetarianism could help us in becoming more successful, in staying healthier, in growing thinner, in staying hygienic, and definitely, being a vegetarian might be of help in other areas as well. Let's just go and delve deeper into the subject. This is just again another experimenting video with ChatGPT, and let's just start. Okay, so hello ChatGPT, how are you today? Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT how he or she is doing today. Hello, I'm doing great, energized, and ready to assist you with whatever you need. How about you? Feeling festive, productive, or somewhere in between? So ChatGPT knows that I'm somewhere in between. It's neither festive nor productive. In fact, I'm today on a, uh, you know, um what do you say, I'm here to give a social message today. Okay, so I'm feeling like I should give out a social message to the society, because yesterday I was just doing some experimenting on Google, and I found out some very interesting things about being vegetarian and how it helps. So I'm just going to continue that experimenting with ChatGPT and look at what she says. Okay, what she tells me. So well, can you tell me which is better, being a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian, or not eating at all? Okay. This is a trick question. I'm asking ChatGPT. Let's see what she says. The question of being vegetarian, okay, but depends on several factors, including your health, values, environment, breakdown of each approach. Okay, so it says fasting. Okay. So, okay, I don't know why the screen is appearing like this, but okay, it's going all over the place. Hold on. So here, this is like being a vegetarian, health benefits, ethical reasons. So what ChatGPT has done is it's given me a very diplomatic answer. Okay, this might as well help you in understanding how this guy or girl actually thinks, right? So ChatGPT is a very diplomatic tool, right? It does not commit to any such issue. If you ask a question, like for example, yesterday I remember I asked a question asking which tool is the best for humanizing AI content, right? And bypassing, the plagiarism detection tools. And ChatGPT gave me a very, diplomatic answer. It actually didn't tell me which is the best tool. It gave me all those options, of you have like 10 tools and this is good for this, that one is good for this. So you see, ChatGPT is very smart tool actually. So being a vegetarian, nutritional challenges, sufficient. Okay, so it talks about the pros and cons of being a vegetarian, and then it talks about the pros and cons of being a non-vegetarian and then not eating at all, fasting. So may improve metabolism, support weight management, enhance cellular repair. Okay, which is better for you? Okay, so which is better for you? Balanced approach, health focus, ethics and environment. So ideally, ChatGPT has been quite diplomatic here, unlike a Google, which would have rather told me, that probably, I mean, again, it depends on what I'm asking. If I'm going and asking Google if it's good to be vegetarian, it'll tell me it is good. If I'm asking Google why it is not good to be vegetarian, it'll give me an answer likewise. So similarly with ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is more diplomatic than Google, right? And because you're conversing with it, it's giving you more options around it. So let me just share what I discovered yesterday. Okay, give me, because this is a cause I stand up for. I just picked up this topic. Give me a list of Indian celebrities who are vegetarian. Okay. Okay. I don't know why it is hiding Okay. Certainly, here are some prominent Indian celebrities. It's give me the pictures also. Wow. Okay, Amir Khan, and it gives me the source also. So all these Indian celebrities, guys. Okay. See, they're all celebrities and they're all vegetarians. So just to promote this cause, I'm giving you these examples of all the celebrities who are vegetarians. Okay. So it's again not about being ethical or unethical, but I overall it's my opinion that if you're vegetarian or vegan or somebody who refrains from having non-veg, it helps you in becoming a better individual and probably also spiritually empowers you to become a better person. This is kind of is in alignment with my values, and it doesn't have any religious belief here attached to it, but there is a resonance with my value system. Okay, okay. So I'm asking, um, okay. So why? Okay, more people in the world eat non-vegetarian. So why I'm asking this question is because obviously, more people are non-vegetarian in the world. Eat non-vegetarian. So preference for non-veg stems from a combination of, I don't know what it said. Okay, cultural and historical roots is one of the reasons. Traditional practices, religious influence, then there's nutritional value. Yes, it's a belief system that, eating non-veg provides you better nutritional value, right? Okay, then why not everyone eats meat? Ethical reasons, environmental impact, health awareness. So these three are some of the reasons why not everyone eats meat, right? How many days should I fast in a month? Okay, I think it's going to give me similar diplomatic answer here. It's going to tell me, look at your religious belief and look at your weekly fasting, intermittent fasting. Okay. Then it talks about health-based fasting, important considerations, listen to your body, a balanced approach. Okay, let me say, can you summarize it in a 100-word list? Okay, I don't know what this 100-word list means, but yeah. Okay, intermittent fasting, 5:2 diet, 1 day fast, extended fasting, religious fasting, hydration, nutritional balance, and consult professionals. So it's again emphasize the importance of drinking more water and 1 day fast, intermittent fasting, and so on. Religious fasting, hydration, nutritional balance. Okay, and consult professionals. So the reason why I created this video is not just to understand what is good for my health, right? Fasting or eating veg food or non-veg food or whatever, but just to see the difference between what Google does and you know, uh, what ChatGPT would do. So ideally, if you see ChatGPT does have some limitations. Sorry, Google has more limitations as compared to ChatGPT in giving you clear answers, whereas ChatGPT is able to give you more clear answers, and it can actually summarize everything. It's much more faster, and it's easy for you to get all the information together here on ChatGPT. Whereas in Google, it's all over the place. If you look for some, answer, then it's like, it gives you like hundreds of search pages. Then you have to go there. Then there is video, image. There is, all search. There are different results, and you have to go and look for the answer. Okay. Whereas when you converse with ChatGPT, it is directly giving you the answer to that question. And let's find out what ChatGPT does not know. So, hi, ChatGPT. Which are the topics that you're weak at, right? What is it that you don't want me to ask you? The reason I'm asking this question to ChatGPT is so that I myself know what to not to ask ChatGPT. So, okay, so ChatGPT says topics I'm weak at or limited by highly specialized fields, subjective opinions, emerging trends, creative output boundaries. Okay, so it says it cannot give me subjective opinions. Okay, what's the best art? Generalized or neutral answers. So as you see, ChatGPT itself accepts the fact that it is a very generic tool, and it will give you only neutral answers for any question that you ask. Likewise, it says things I don't want you to ask. So there are very specific things that ChatGPT does not want you to ask it. So it's like harmful or dangerous content, invasions of privacy, inappropriate or offensive topics, medical or legal decisions. So important here. Okay, medical or legal decisions, do not ask ChatGPT because it could err. It could actually give you wrong answers, or it need not give you the best answer for any situation or circumstance that you're facing. So how I handle limitations, of course, there is. Okay. So this also has ChatGPT has a mechanism to handle limitations. So I'll let you know when I can't answer a question, or if I need to refer you to a professional or a credible source. So, okay, to a great extent, ChatGPT is, does believe in giving us the references, and probably it'll redirect us to other tools. I can assist in brainstorming, explaining, conceptualizing, or pointing you in the right direction for further exploration. So it's cool, that ChatGPT is a very honest tool. It kind of knows what it knows and what it does not know. So it's important that when we are conversing with ChatGPT, we don't essentially ask questions that are controversial in nature, because ChatGPT won't answer them. Okay. Likewise, when it gives you an answer, make sure you verify that with other sources, and not just take it blindly, right? Okay, so I think in the next tool, I'm going to be talking about the image creation process and how fun it could be, basically. Okay, take care.